Yes. Hello, my dear friends and my dear students. Ooh, no, not students. Today, my dear parents. Yes, today topic is for dear parents. Yes, the parenting tip I want to discuss today with you. What's the role of a parent in their child life? As you know, PARENT, parent. Yes, let us define the term parent. Let's start with the first letter, that is P. P is for parent. That is you, parent. आप सबसे पहले, you are the first teacher of your child. Yes, you are the first teacher, and you have to should remain best teacher throughout the life. Yes, as a parent, you encourage your child in each and every step. That is very much important. As a parent, you have to give your love, your support every time in each step. That's very much important for them. So don't forget, you are the first teacher and you have to best teacher throughout their life. Yes, that is the perfect meaning, the first letter, that is parent. Okay, the next one, that is A. A is for awareness. What is awareness? Awareness means you have to full knowledge about your child, the plus points, or you can say the weak points also. Okay, I know it's very difficult for you, but you have to be, every time you have to be there for your child whenever they need it. Means आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपका बच्चे को, आपके जो चाइल्ड है, आपको उसको कब आपकी ज़रूरत है. सो यू हैव टू बी देयर. I know it's very difficult for the working parents, but you have to steal. Yes, you have to steal some time for your child. That's very much important. Then you can see ना, अगर आप उनके पास साथ एक quality time spend करेंगे, so your child will improve automatically step by step. So always be with them. That's very much important. And it's very much important to understand the body language and the gestures of your child, because you are always with them, so you can understand that very much. Okay, so you have to understand the tone of your word. That is very much important. Let's move on the next part, that is the letter R. R means the responsibility. Yes, parents' responsibilities are very much. As a responsible parents, what you have to do and what you have not to do. Let's define. As a responsible parent, the first point that you have to do is encourage more but criticize less. Yes, you have to encourage them more. Just listen actively. What you have to do, आपको उनकी बात ध्यान से सुननी है, एक्टिवली सुननी है. ऐसा नहीं है you are busy in other work and you are just listening. No, you have to listen carefully and the open communication will be there between you and your child. Okay, so it's important. Okay, next point, the second point that you have to do is spend quality time. That I already told you, that steal some time for your word. That means you have to spend some quality time for your word. Okay, now the third point, that is very much essential, and that is act as a responsible person. ओके, डोंट से दैट बी पोलाइट. आप अपने बच्चों को कहते हैं ना बी पोलाइट, बट डोंट स्टे Instead of saying these words, you have to demonstrate them of a politeness, okay, by being a person with great politeness. ओके, यू हैव टू गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. खुद पे अपनी वो एग्जाम्पल को आपने उनको शो करना है कि किस तरह से हम पोलाइट हो सकते हैं दूसरों के साथ. सो व्हेन यू विल गिव, व्हेन यू विल एक्ट लाइक दैट ना, so they will understand automatically, they will grow automatically, right? They will develop automatically. So these are the things that act like a responsible individual. Okay, what the things that you don't do? That is, the first point is don't compare. Yes, don't compare your child with the others. Don't try to judge, and no need for the unnecessary comparison. Yes, just be positive always, that कभी भी आपने मार्क्स के पीछे नहीं भागना. ओके, जस्ट यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ दैट what my child is learning in each and every step, in each grade, step by step he or she is learning automatically. So मार्क्स जो है वो मैटर नहीं करते, वो क्या गेन कर रहा है, क्वालिटी जो है वो गेन जो कर रहा है बच्चा, वो मैटर करता है. सो डोंट कंपेयर योर वर्ड टू एनीवन. एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट इज डोंट स्टॉप योर किड्स फॉर द वॉइसिंग देयर ओपिनियंस. यस, उनको अपनी बात करने में नहीं रोकना आपने, बिकॉज यूर थॉटनेस एंड उनके सोचने का जो तरीका है दैट विल बी डिफरेंट. दे विल थॉट according to their age. So children have a thinking process of their own. उनका सोचने का ढंग अपना ही है. So let them speak. उनको भी आपको बोलना देना चाहिए, उनकी बात को ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए. That's it. And the third point that is very much essential. Don't give fake attention to your word. Yes, कोई fake attention नहीं देनी. Your quality time that you are going to spend with them, that will be undivided. Undivided means ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बात किसी और से कर रहे हैं, बट अपने जो है चिल्ड्रन के साथ आप जो है उनकी बात को सुन रहे हैं साइड बाय साइड. नो, जस्ट गिव दैम प्योर अटेंशन. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इट्स एसेंशियल. योर अटेंशन शुड बी undivided. Okay, that's are the things that you have to act as a responsible individual, in responsible parent. Let's move on the next part, that is E part, E letter, that is engage. Yes, you have to engage yourself with them, but how you can engage yourself? Let's take the 5 ways to engage with them. The first point is establish your routine. Yes, now the online classes are there. Just make a fixed timetable and stick to it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक बार टाइम टेबल बना दिया तो उसको आपने फॉलो नहीं किया, या आपके बच्चों ने, चिल्ड्रन ने फॉलो नहीं किया. आपने एक टाइम टेबल बनाना है. द परफेक्ट टाइम टेबल यू हैव टू मेक अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कैपेसिटी. ओके, एंड देन stick to it. Okay, now the second point is encourage learning. You have to encourage them. Okay, as a parent, as a teacher, because you are the first teacher, you have to encourage them in the learning skills. Different ways you have to follow up. Okay, just recreate a classroom. Yes, the perfect classroom you can recreate at home. If the environment is there, na, then they will definitely grow. Okay, the third point is create a no pressure zone. What is a no pressure zone? Means जिस चीज़ में उनको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो वो चीज़ उनको बार बार करवाना, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. So just utilize this time to identify where they face the difficulty. Just try to resolve. उन चीज़ों को रिजॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द पीरियड यू आर एवरी टाइम विद देम. सो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट where he or she find the difficulty. So on that point, just work and resolve the problem. Okay, now the fourth way is encourage new hobby. Yes, that's very much important because उनका कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएटिविटी भी उनके साथ होनी चाहिए. नॉट ओनली द बुकिश लैंग्वेज वो पढ़ते जा रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू help your child to pick and develop a hobby. Okay, now the last point is that you can engage yourself with them. That's do activities together. Yes, एक साथ मिलके आपने जो अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो डन करनी है. Like you can do some exercises with them. Make a routine of the exercises in the evening or in the early morning. You can go for a cycling with them, no? So they can involve in you and you spend a quality time with them also. So in this way, okay, and make some other activities. So household work में आप उनकी हेल्प ले सकते हैं, ठीक है ना, और पढ़ाई के टाइम आप उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सो एक्टिविटीज़ जो हैं, जो भी थ्रू आउट अ डे हम करते हैं, तो आप उसमें एक दूसरे की हेल्प कीजिए. मीन्स डू सम एक्टिविटीज़ टुगेदर. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन एंगेज योर सेल्फ विद them. Now let's move on the next point, that is nurture. And for nurture, yes, you nurture your baby. Help your child to grow, to develop and to succeed. Yes, this is the main point in each and every step. That is the nurture meaning. Okay, let's move on the next point, that is trust. Yes, that's very 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 much important. You know now, you have to trust them. Okay, you have to respect, and it's very much essential to build a positive, yes, I'm saying again, to build a positive parent child relationship. yes, it's very much important. अगर आपका वो रिलेशन बन गया, एक पॉजिटिव रिलेशन बन गया, सो कभी भी आपके बच्चे आपकी बात को इग्नोर नहीं करेंगे. एवरी टाइम जब भी होगा, जितना हो पाएगा उनसे, वो आपकी बात को फॉलो अप करेंगे. आई थिंक दीज स्टेप्स दैट यू विल फॉलो डेफिनेटली एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू. Okay, thank you so much my dear parents for watching my video. Keep connecting and share my videos. Thank you. All the best. Bye.